Hi, I'm Charles Feddersen, and in this talk, you're going to learn about all of the ways that we're driving Postgres forward at Microsoft through open source, cloud services, and building amazing tooling for developers and database operators.
Hi, my name is Affan, and in this talk, you will learn about how Microsoft is contributing to the open source Postgres project.
Hello, my name is Boriss Mejias, Solutions Architect from EDB, and in this presentation, I'm going to try to show you how to use the JSON data type in Postgres for the best. Because some people have trouble with this data type, they even consider it evil, and they think that the B in JSON B is for beast. But we can tame this data type so that it provides you the best for your database schema, and that you're actually going to enjoy this data type and love it as much as I do.
So hello, my name is Tomas Vondra, and I'm here to talk about random page cost, one of the important configuration parameters in Postgres affecting planning. So if tuning Postgres is part of your job, you might be interested in this talk.
Hi everybody, my name is Wolk. I'm a technical program manager at Microsoft for PostgreSQL. Today I'm going to talk about fuzzing PostgreSQL and knocking at its door essentially. You will learn what fuzzing is, how to start your journey with fuzzing, and if it is for you, and how to approach a large complex code base like a database.
Hi, so I'm Chris, and we're going to be talking about Postgres design patterns. So this is a talk primarily for application developers, and we're going to go through a number of design patterns that I've used across 20 years of using Postgres. The talk itself is going to focus on one particular application and all of the different Postgres features that I used to make my life easier as an application developer.
Hey, I'm Pamela, and I'm going to be talking about building a MCP server for your Postgres database. We're going to look at the range of ways you can build MCP servers, from very exploratory servers where the agents can send full SQL queries to your database and do all sorts of things, maybe things you don't want, and then look at fully typed operational servers where you can have maximum confidence in the SQL that's going to get executed, but agents can still get their questions answered. So join me to learn more about building an MCP for your DB.
Hi there, my name is Matt McFarland and I work on Postgres developer tools at Microsoft. This talk is about how our work around the VS Code extension for Postgres management is moving to a new set of tools to support new workflows that are emerging for database administrators and developers who are working on their applications. Please check out this talk if you are interested in AI-enabled workflows and managing your Postgres database with them.
Hi everyone, my name is Christian Miles, and I've been working with graphs and graph databases for about 15 years. My talk is about a Postgres extension called Apache Age that helps you run graph workloads on top of relational data stores. I'll be walking through the graph database landscape and where Age fits in and how it compares with other extensions like PG routing. And then I'll focus on something I'm really passionate about, graph data visualization. When to reach for it, when to reach for Apache Age, and the pitfalls to avoid along the way.
Hey everyone, my name is Andrew Ruffin and I'm a product manager at AMD. This talk is about the Azure infrastructure choices you have and how that choice can improve your Postgres performance by over 60%, including the economics you care about day in and day out. This talk is best for database administrators or IT decision makers who are looking to optimize their cloud footprint when it comes to Postgres.
Hi, I'm Paula Berenguel. Have you ever tried to build field expertise across a large organization? I have been doing this for over 2 years, and I will share in this talk what worked well, what didn't work really well, and what are the pitfalls.
Hi, my name is Taiob. I'll be talking about SQL Server and Postgres security model differences. This talk is for someone like me, who is an accidental Postgres DBA, coming from SQL Server world, and we will be comparing and contrasting the security model differences between the two database platforms.